Hi and welcome to another Type With Me. In today's video I want to dive a little bit deeper into how Astro.js works. So Astro.js is the web framework for content-driven websites, and it's a new phenomenon that is getting the front-end development world by storm. Astro is a JavaScript web framework optimized for building fast, content-driven websites. It's server first, so it will render your HTML first on the server, and then it will render it on the client. It will only give the JavaScripts to the client that are necessary, and for that we have Astro Islands. Islands optimize your websites like no other web framework can. Leverage Astro's unique page load performance to improve conversion rates, core web vitals, and SEO. It's content driven and it's customizable. You'll see here that it and how it relates towards Astro, Gatsby, WordPress, Next.js, and Nuxt. So if you're going to create an Astro project, we get this, and this is really a nice developer experience. It gives you where you should create your project. So I'm creating it there. Then a basic helpful starter project. Install dependencies, yes. Install Git repository, no. And now it's building my project and it's going to install my dependencies, which is great. I really like this spinner. This is really nice, cool, well done. Right, it also says like initialize a new Git repository. No, sounds good. You can always run Git init manually. So if we want to have a Git repository, we can always do this, right? So like I said, the creation of an Astro project is really good. I really like it. You see here, now I get the node underscore modules, so it's installing it. And here we are. Liftoff confirmed. Explore your project. Run npm run dev to start the dev server. Control plus C to stop. Add frameworks like React or Tailwind using Astro add. So what we could do then is, for example, indeed put mpx Astro add and then React, because I think I will like it. And it's of course Astro add. And Astro run this command, blah blah blah, yada yada. Yes, and now we have React added through this. So if you see here, we have our Astro welcome.astro. You need to know that you can install a plugin called Astro. So if it's not being formatted well, please check that out. And you see here that it has import of Astro logo, a background. Then we have our HTML and we have our styles. So same thing with layout. We have here our basic layout. We have our body, we have our slots. We can say here put a menu here, and we can put a menu there. I want put it and put that there. Then we have our index, and here we have our layout and our welcome. And what we could do, for example, is just put something here, and then we can create a new page. So new file, hello.astro, right? And we put here a new page, and we do something like this. Hello world. Like I said, it's very basic, it's very easy, and you will see right away what it does when we do here npm run dev. Right, here we go, and we have our website up and running. If you go to it, you see here, put a menu here where whatever I want. So it will have whatever I want. If I go to /hello, you see here, put a menu here, whatever I want, hello world. Right, because we encapsulated it into our layout, and hello world was being put in there as well, right? So we can change it, we can probably also style it. We can put here brackets through it and put hello world in here. So it's very fast also to change things there. You see here, put a menu here, whatever I want, and then hello world. So what have we seen here is that it's very easy to put pages in, to work with pages, and to and navigate through it, right? So to really get some kind of a structure in and use Astro and maybe also later React, we could very easily do so. So for the React part, I still need to play a little bit more around with it, but for example, you can very easily use Preact, React Solid. So there are a lot of options I see on their website, and you have also different kind of UI frameworks like Alpine, Preact, React Solid, JS, Svelte, Vue. You have certain adapters that you could use, and there are other kind of integrations like a database. You can very easily do integrations with a database, have some tables in it, some columns. It reminds me a little bit with how Gatsby is doing it. Connecting towards Markdown is this one. I think it's nice then that you could use certain parts of Markdown and then import it and then put posts in here, for example, if you want to create a blog using front matter variables in MDX could be interesting. So again, nice, and I think could be interesting to dive a little bit deeper in one of next videos that I'm gonna do. But I hope you also liked or are being triggered to start using Astro or dive a little bit deeper into it. This is actually the purpose of this video, to really play along with you, to discover also Astro a little bit along with you, to see if it could be maybe a good way to invest your time in, right? And another thing is here party town or a sitemap. A sitemap is an XML file that outlines all the pages, videos and files on your website so that a crawler can index it and use it very well. So could be interesting and nice to have that as well, right? Because I think indeed this is a good framework for SEO related websites, blogs, big websites that are having articles on there that have search functionality on there, that can do certain things on there as well. Another thing is here third-party services, deployment guides, content management systems that you can use, right? So, and how to integrate it with a setup like Astro. So again, something great to look out to.